What the current Golden Leaf Dispensary lacks in beauty, it makes up for in customers and potential. Selling under the retail name NatureMed, the owners are contracted to expand from this humble beginning. Developers, contractors, financiers are working to expand the campus on a neighboring 13-acre site. This current site plan shows 3 new buildings, one a dispensary, a large cannabis grow warehouse, and a smaller grow facility. All told, the town of Marana has approved zoning for nearly 250,000 square feet of new facilities. The first phase includes all civil construction, the dispensary, and a 105,000 square foot cultivation center. The Golden Leaf project is ideally located just west of I-10 on the north side of Ina. Phoenix is 90 miles away. It is 1 mile from the busiest retail complex in Pima County. It is well suited for customers and for statewide wholesale distribution. Let's take a closer look at the site plan and compare it to aerial reconnaissance. This is the current dispensary, which will transition into a different campus use. This is the new 15,000 square foot dispensary, office and lab. The renderings show a sleek, modern, hip masonry building, enticing for customers, employees, and vendors alike. The general floor plan shows space for regulated sales, open sales, a lab, kitchen, and offices. National security prevents showing the location of the money safe. This is the first phase of the cultivation warehouse. The 105,000 square foot building will be married to an addition in the second phase of construction. Once fully built out in Phase 2, the amount of grow potential will double. This rendering shows a handsome tilt-up concrete construction shell. Additional land and zoning approved allows for an additional 61,000 square foot warehouse. The experienced growers, with experience of scaled cultivation, designed ingenious water, electric, and cooling distribution systems within the grow warehouse. The developers hired Hayden Building Corp. on a design-build contract. Hayden engaged an award-winning architectural firm, Cowley Architects. During the past 3 months, Hayden has tested hammered concrete, crushed rubble, excavated, then placed, graded, and compacted the building site. Preliminary site prep is near completion. Soon civil construction will start, installing the water, electric, sewer, and storm drains. Expect the dispensary to start in the next several months. The cultivation facility soon thereafter. Golden Leaf is on the march to victory.